Welcome to this Composite C1 video where I'll be showing you one of the starter sites available in our version 4, the Open Copenhagen starter site. So I've installed it here. You can choose it when you run our setup wizard. It's based on Twitter Bootstrap, as you can see, and it's using less for styling and also using the Razor syntax for template management. So one of the changes you'll find in version 4 is the ability to go ahead and use richer styling features. So if I go find a content intensive page like this one and go edit it, so we have some text to work with. Here I can go ahead and select multiple blocks of content and then use my block selector up here to choose a styling. The starter site comes with these options. You can of course control this. This let me go ahead and integrate into the Twitter Bootstrap styling options. So let me just do a few options here. Also have some options for layouting with text. Let's do some 2-column layouts. So I'll go ahead and preview it, and these are new options that are available to the editors working with content on the website. So just for the developers out there, what's happening is we're basically just injecting div elements and putting a class on them. So this is pretty straightforward. You can control the design using CSS, and it's very easy to configure these options. If we go ahead and look at the templates themselves, you'll find the page templates on the layout perspective. Let's take the front page as an example. So this is what a template can look like with Razor in Composite C1. We have a very small template down here. The reason that you see it this small is that we are using a master layout, referencing it here. We also have the master layout available in our tree. Of course, you can do all this editing from Visual Studio or whatever editor you like to use, but you can also do this directly from your browser. So let's dive into quickly the master layout, just to see how that looks. This is mainly HTML we have going on in here, and then including different portions of the template, including things like jQuery and the Twitter Bootstrap styling and so on. One of the elements we have on the front page is a image carousel, and it's included via a page template feature, something we also introduced in version 4. So here we see a page template feature include. We're including the feature called front page content start, and if we go to the appropriate folder, we'll find the front page content start right here. And here I'll be able to go ahead and work with the content that we want on the top of our front page. So I could go ahead and change the Bootstrap carousel. You can see it has some variables. I can do this using a built-in editor, changing values right here. Could also go and change, of course, via code view. So let's just change the height of it to 150 pixels and write some markup in here. So we'll have our carousel and a heading, and if we go back to our home page, we'll see the carousel is now not as high as before, and we have our fixed heading. So these are page template features, which are basically small reusable components you can use across your templates, or you can just don't use it altogether and put everything into your templates. Also, you'll find in the front end folder the styling for Twitter Bootstrap, especially the variables file, which enable you to go ahead and change the overall layout. There are a lot of tools online which let you work with this file if you're not comfortable with using less. Let's just try to use the orange variable here to set the background color on the body, and go back and do a refresh and see the effect of that. Not really pretty, but you get the point. So this is a quick intro to the Open Copenhagen starter site.